Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dylan. Today we're going to be doing a natural kind of first date kind of look for Valentine's Day. And I actually did a poll on Instagram, which is _Delance. And I did a poll on whether I should do a natural look and a dramatic look. Honestly, the natural look went a little bit more than the dramatic look, but they're almost neck and neck between each other. So I'm going to do both. This is going to be the first look for the Valentine's Day. It's more natural than my usual looks. And if you would like to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. So starting out this look, I already did my brows off camera, and I went a little bit more natural with my brows this time because, you know, since it is a first date, I felt like it would be a little bit too overpowering to do the dip brow. So I used the Etude House Drawing Eyebrows in the shade number 1, and it's this one right over here. Comes with a spoolie, and then it looks pretty much like, you know, Honest as a brow definer, or the, you know, the more chubbier brow pencils that have the angle to it. For foundation, I went with something a little bit more natural, still full coverage because, you know, I do have acne. But if you have perfect skin, you can just use like a cushion or a tinted moisturizer or just a really lightweight foundation, because that's perfect for first dates. You don't want to catfish unless, you know, you want to, you know, it's up to you, but for first date I decided, you know, not to catfish. I applied the Tarte Immersion Clay Full Coverage Foundation, and I am in the shade Medium Tan Honey. For concealer, I'm not going to be using anything too heavy. I'm just going to be using the Fenty Matchstick in the shade French Vanilla. To set my concealer, I'm going to be taking the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. Going to be going over my face with the Fenty Beauty Invisimatte Powder. I'm going to be starting with my eyes. I'm going to be using the MAC 24 Hour Extend Eye Base. I'm going to be setting my crease with the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. For my eyes, I'm going to be going into the Etude House Play Color Eyes Cherry Blossom Eye Palette. These are going to be the tones that we're working with today. So for a first date look, I was thinking something a little bit more on the lines of soft pinks, taupe, a little bit more of a softer eye. This shade right over here in the crease. For the outer corner, I'm going to be taking this brown shade right over here. Gonna be blending this just so that there's no harsh lines. Even though this is a natural look, we still don't want any harsh lines sticking out. So we gotta blend. We always have to blend in some way. For the lids, I'm going to be taking this shade right over here. I'm going to be lining my upper lash line with the brown shade. Doing this helps your lashes look more fuller. Looks like you have more lashes this way. I'm going to be taking this mauve shade right over here, and I'm going to be going on my lower lash line. For my inner corner and brow bone highlight, more subtle this time around, I'm going to be taking this shade right over here. I'm going to be curling my lashes, and I'm going to be also applying mascara as well. For lashes, I'm going to be taking the Ardell Demi Wispies. I honestly forgot how it feels to wear natural lashes. Like, because I always wear dramatic lashes, but this is so cute though. It's like, it's natural, but there's like something there to it, which is perfect for first dates. For first dates, you can always just wear, you know, mascara if you have, you know, the lashes for it. Or if you want to amp up your lashes a little bit, just go with like the Demi Wispies or something along the lines of natural lashes. For bronzer, I'm not really going to contour. I'm just going to bronze my face with the Bahama Mama from the Balm. For highlight, I'm going to be going a little bit more natural than usual with the Becca Spotlight in Moonstone. For blush, I'm taking MAC's Blush Baby Blush. For lips, I have quite a few options. I have MAC's Whirl, which is definitely a brownie, mauve-y, type of nude, which is, it's gonna make you look a little bit more out there. There's NYX's Soft Matte Lip Cream in Milan, which is like this pink. And there's also this Peri Para lip tint, this mini lip tint that I got in the shade number 5. It's mini because I got it in this suitcase looking kit. And it also came with stickers. Since I'm going to make this more of a softer look, I'm going to be doing the Peri Para lip tint. I'm also going to be lining my lips with the NYX Peekaboo Neutral. Going to be setting my face with the All Nighter Setting Spray from Urban Decay. I'm also going to be going over my brows with the Pro Longwear Waterproof Brow Set from MAC in the shade Bold Brunette. And this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you guys liked it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow my social medias down below. Don't forget to click that notification bell as well, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.